Peel the backing off of the resistor. You're going to need to find a spot in the fender to place it. Be sure to press firmly so the resistor sticks to the fender. Twist your reverse light bulb into the top socket. Be sure you remove the light bulb from your other socket. You'll plug the Anzo plug into that socket, making sure that you line the black wires up with the black wires on your stock harness. You'll push in firmly until you hear the plug snap. Line the tail light up. With your Phillips screwdriver, screw your screws starting with the top outer hole, moving to the bottom, Next, you have the two on the inside of the jamb where the tailgate closes. Now it's time for testing. Make sure all your functions of your light are working properly.